Okay, I'm back. New review. Got this from Thomas Tools. Let's see what there is. Okay, it's the Alox 2023 limited edition full set. Oh, Thomas Tools gave me a free pen. How nice. What is this? Oh, nice pen. Oh, and it says Thomas Tools on it. Right. Okay, we've got the Hunter Pro Alox limited edition. Oops. Oh, I gotta get rid of these prices. The Pioneer X Alox multi-tool limited edition 2023. Wonder why it's called multi-tool here. Never mind. And of course we have the classic. Let's start with the classic. Let's go. Alox 2023, congratulations. Yes, you now own one of the new Alox limited edition 2023. This is the 9th year we are launching the Alox limited edition pocket knives. The range includes the classic SD 58mm, Pioneer X 93mm, and the Hunter Pro 130mm. Electric yellow Alox scales. Punch from aluminium, embossed, and then anodized in a subsequent process stage. What is that? The Eloxyl process uses anodic oxidation to create a protective layer and give the scales their color, which can vary slightly in tone and brightness. This layer of oxide is hard and provides additional scale protection against damage and corrosion. Depending on use and exposure to UV light, the color may rub off and lighten over time. Yes, that's true. Exposure to UV light does rub off these colors. I can attest to that, yes. Each edition is limited to 1 year and the corresponding year is on the back of the pocket knives. And we have that in German. New style box, which is this recycled carton. So you've got that little pamphlet that comes with it. Yes, customary pamphlet. Right, we're not interested in the pamphlet at the moment. What we're interested in is this 2023. Okay. Look, I've seen these knives on camera so many times, and I'm seeing it in the flesh right now for the first time. I can tell you, the camera does not do justice to this color. It is very, very striking. The main blade, classic SD nail file with screwdriver tip. Nice snap. Key ring. Little classic scissors. Ah, very nice. Extremely nice color. Emblazoned with 2023 at the back of it. Hey, you know, the color is new. The color of the 2023, I'll have to compare that with other years. So we'll take a look later. Let's keep this back where it came from. So, there we go. There we go. Yeah. All right. If you see the prices, I'm really sorry. That's just, I did not have. This is supposed to be unboxing. How am I supposed to know they left the price tags there on the box? Okay, next we have the Pioneer X Alox limited edition. Let's check that out. Oops. customary sheet. It says the same thing. Yes, it has the pamphlet. Let's not bother with the pamphlet. Oh, this is awesome. Look at this. Again, with 2023 in this blue against this electric yellow. It's, I don't know, frozen green, almost, I don't know what to call this color. All right. Let's inspect it. Inline, all, and reamer. 93mm style. Look at this. I just love a fresh blade. It's just one of those things in life. A fresh blade. Oh, I forgot the nick is on the other side. You know, on the 91mm, this nick on the scissors is on the other side. Yeah. Look at that. Nice. Okay. We come to the opening layers. The can opener with screwdriver tip. And you see the oil on my gloves already. And nice 90-degree stop, really solid. Yeah, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, pry bar, wire stripper there. Very nice. Pioneer X 2023. I'm getting it late in 2023. Haha, the piece de resistance. Let's go. Oh, it's got a bit more. The pamphlet is a user guide. Of course, you know, the thing is this is not one-handed. Okay, right. Enough of that. What does it say? It says the same thing. Standard cards, but oh look. It's the Hunter Pro. It's the Hunter Pro in electric yellow. Let's go. Z-main blade. Very nice. So uses this back lock, yeah. So you can. So again, I hope this camera does justice to this color. It really is very nice. So it comes with this 2023. Nice clip. Yeah, nice clip. But I'll show you even nicer one in another video later on. What's that? Peeking at me from afar. Oh, it's an electric yellow paracord to go with the electric yellow Hunter Pro limited edition 2023. Yeah. I never use these things really. I mean, it's like you have the clip and there, very nice. So you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to do a critical review on these Hunter Pros very soon. I'll be comparing it to other Hunter Pros and the recently acquired Evoke. Okay, it's time to basically just keep this back. And that went in like this, that went in like this. Can close it up. And the 2023 Alox limited edition is now complete. Hooray. Bye-bye.